hard work have brought you to this celebratory day. In a while, you will come to the stage and receive recognition for the completion of your degree. As graduates, you are part of a rich legacy.
My prediction is that graduating from this prestigious school of journalism, you already have the tools that you need to succeed. So the next step of your journey is to confront a series of important decisions. Instead, your personal data streams, your tastes and preferences, your beliefs, your reading and listening habits, your social circle, your age, your gender, all of that and more will be used to determine the news and advertising you receive.
And West Virginia University is at the forefront of what it means to be a 21st century land-grant institution. We are very, very proud of that. And that does tie to the question of life as an exploration. And it gets to you all as you are beginning your careers in the health professions, in the nursing professions, and beginning to start thinking about where you will be in the future.
So remember, have courage, be willing, find your passion, give back.
J. Danielle Hendricks.
Austin Galmarini.
Meredith Lynn Witcherly.
Confer upon you the degrees for which you have been recommended with all the rights